Hey y'all, there's always something going on, right? Well, I just like to say that the other day, I'm just gonna show y'all what happened. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened. Father's Day 2024. I can't figure out what to wear, and I went through so many cute outfits. And the thing is, I 100% had some cute pics, but basically I was too dressy, and this is that, because I waited to the moment to get all this stuff together. So we're about to get this cleaned up. I'm gonna start the laundry because of that, and then I gotta rehang Bay stuff from his dry cleaning to his racks, and then he bought these, which are so nice. He had a whole nother set there that couldn't fit, so they are now mine, and we're gonna be, ooh, can you see me? We're gonna be putting them together today as well. So let's get started. And of course I gotta figure out my purses too, because the shoe boxes, we got a lot to figure out. We're just gonna figure, I really got 30 minutes to get this done because babe about to come home. It's raining today. I'm going to go ahead and grab the pile, put it on my bed because it'll make it a lot easier, and I will talk to you guys in the what you call them things, layover, whatever that's called. I'm gonna talk to y'all there because I'm watching TV. Felt like that portion was never ending. My arm was on fire by this point, but we're gonna go ahead and organize my clothes. I'm going in a color palette section. Let me start over. So I'm just gonna say, I start with my denim because I love how this hung. I saw a little fold on Instagram one day at work and I was like, I gotta do it. I like how it looks, so it's up front. Then it's gonna follow by my shirts, dresses, and then bottoms. In those sections, they're sectioned by color. Within those sections, it goes no sleeves to long sleeves. So it doesn't really make sense right now because everything's kind of mixed in, but as time goes, you'll understand, I promise. Because I was tripping over everything that I had thrown on the floor, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff moved. I'm putting all of my little flat sandals in this basket. This just works, kind of house everything in one spot. So yeah, now I am pulling the things from my bed onto in the closet. I'm just kind of sticking and folding. As the sections get bigger, you can kind of see what I'm doing. Of course, I wear tons of white, tons of black, so those are right up front because I'm wearing them to work almost on the constant. The denim at front makes more sense now that I have more denim added. That goes from lightest denim to darkest denim, and then I have a light pair in the back only because they don't have any belt loops, so they can't do the little cute foldy fold that I like. And I'm just going to point out again, I have two sections of white because the white up front is just tops. Where it starts over at that white is where my dresses begin. This is the part that I personally was waiting on. This is kind of the transformation of what I'm doing comes to life. These crates, they literally snap together. I'm gonna put one together slow and then do the rest of them pretty fast, but they snap together in one, two, three, four, five. Very simple. I put all the bases together with the exception of like two, but I like putting these together, so it's kind of fun for me. I did forget if I have to put the top or the back on first, so I had to look for the instructions, y'all. But anyways, they're super simple to put together. I also, while I'm doing this, I'm going to point out the fact that I did not make that 30-minute window. Bay is home at this point, and I get the run of my mouth and yapping, so that's another reason why I'm going to speed this on up. Because at one portion, I stopped putting it together altogether because the conversation started conversating, and I was not doing what I was supposed to do. So yeah, that's my spill. And that is the box. It looked like I'm putting together a microwave, right? But yeah, it's super simple, super simple. Pops right on together, snap, 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 like one of those Sterilite boxes from Walmart. But they're from Amazon. I will drop the link below. So I am clearly all over the place with this project, but I promise to you, it mentally it makes sense. I need the space on my bed, so now I'm clearing everything onto the floor that was up here. I'm gonna dust, and y'all, I used a Swiffer mop. It looked like a dusting pad. It's so weird, but it was gross up there. And then I discovered something interesting. A gap. I can only see it when I stepped on the stool. It's not a secret. You see that? Sunshine is a way of life all year here, making it the ideal space for solar PV projects. With solar powered computer labs opening up a world of possibilities, stimulating learning and imagination. For every $15 donated to the Science Foundation this June, we will match your $15 contribution. Thank you. Add anything else up to your probably your shoe cases are fine. Can you get that? I can't, even on the steps. Alright, you think alright, I'm gonna just keep going. Thank you, baby. I was just worried it was gonna fall like that one time I did the other one. Y'all, I've had my closet fall on me in a previous apartment, so I was not playing no games today. I called back in, he gave me the all clear, so let's continue. I couldn't figure out how exactly I wanted my shoe cases. I didn't know if I wanted to stack them, but I ended up going with a solid row because I didn't want my height differentiation to be a problem. So yeah, I just went ahead and put my shoes here. They're going from a lightest kind of to darkest. I ended up putting the green smack dab the middle because it ended up falling kind of up top its section in the clothing portion. So I thought that was cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my purses on top. Again, from lighter to darker, kind of matching the purse with the shoebox, if that makes sense. That does make sense. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna see it. Playing this back, like I have a decent amount of bags. I honestly only wear like maybe four of the ones that are up here on a more regular basis. I really don't have that many shoes, y'all. It's kind of, I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, okay, I got a very minimum shoe collection or whatever. Do I want it to be larger? Absolutely. But in the future, once we move and stuff like that and get a bigger space, I can see that being my choice of pleasure. This part was irking my soul. I want this to be a very picturesque moment right there by the mirror. However, this is where I have all of my workout clothes. So I did move one basket down and then put my hats up top and just kept it as functional. I will think about this on another day, trying to make this more aesthetic because again, my full length mirror is here and I just look at all my little fits in this section. It's organized, it's neat, and that's just how it's gonna look. And then the vacuum, y'all, don't even get me started on that vacuum, but I cannot think of the life of me, for the life of me, where to put my vacuum that is out of the way next to an outlet where it can charge. Now, I know y'all didn't thought we were finished. Girl, me too. I am tired at the end of my steam. Does that mean? You know what? I'm at the end of my rope. I'm out of steam. That's what I was trying to say. But I have to put Bay's clothes. I'm rehanging them from dry cleaning hangers to his actual hangers. Thankfully, all his stuff are, same shape, so it takes mere moments to knock this out. It's just really heavy. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna put them in the closet. Same situation as mine. He has long sweaters, long sleeve shirts, and then short sleeve shirts, and then they're by color as best as I can do it. I also did the bottom row of his. You guys will see it in a little while, but my camera died. I only have one battery for this camera. I really do need to get another one if I want to do this more often, because I do. I say that every time, but I do. Anyways, in the closet, getting his stuff color coordinated and hung up. Again, camera died, so I will see you guys at the reveal. Y'all, this might not make you as happy as it makes me, but it looks so pretty. Given the space and given that this is a shared closet between two grown adults that work, so we have work clothes up in here. And yeah, I love it. It looks so good. Every time I walk into this space now, I'm happy and again, very blessed. Our robes do hang up on the back, his and hers. Workout clothes, if I told you guys before. I'm very happy with the turnout. I love my bags. I love looking at them. Love my shoes. I love looking at them. I really enjoy the display. Maybe in the future I'll add a second row to house my bags so they are, protected from the dust. But for now, this is how it looks. And again, I'm so pleased. So very pleased. So tell me what you think down in the comments. Laundry is done. I ain't even bothered doing that on camera because that is for another day. But anyways, as always, peace.